Welcome to Rick Riley's World, where we look at Rick's vast collection. Well, this looks like a workhorse. Is this a workhorse?
Yep, that's what I've been using for the last about 6 months. I tore a building down and hauled it off with this. Hauled probably 20 loads of gravel back in with it. I think it's a 2001. Yeah, 2001. It's got the 444E in it, Allison automatic. It's kind of a different kind of truck, being a low pro with air brakes.
You don't see that too often.
No, I looked around quite a bit before I found this truck with the air brakes. It's got pretty good power. Oh, about seven tons on it at a time. And it gets down the road with it good.
That's 7.3 V8.
Yep. 19.5 tires on it. But, I've hauled quite a bit with it in the last 6 months.
Now you said you tore a building down. Was there some story about a guy that was almost stuck in it before it came down?
Yeah.
Huh?
Had a friend of mine well, I don't know if you could say he was helping me. He was there. And the building was kind of built in two sections, and I had one section of it already tore down, and he was in there scrounging around for stuff that was left over. And I had the backhoe, and I reached over when he come out of there, pull the rest of the building down. Well, I just touched the building, and he had just walked out of it. Bad timing on my part. If I'd been a little bit quicker, I could have got him.
But he's your buddy.
We'll let him believe that.
Okay.
Okay. No, that's Joe. He's a super good guy. He'd do anything in the world for you, and he's helped me out quite a bit on stuff. But he was used to driving a 7-axle dump truck. That's what he drove for a living. And we took a load of scrap in with this last week. And I said, "Here, Joe, that's the only way I can get him to shut up is to make him drive."
Joe's a bit grumpy, right?
That's being polite. I said, "Here, Joe, drive this." Well, he's used to Jake brakes and big engines and stuff. It didn't work. He kept complaining about, "Well, there ain't no Jake brake on here. This ain't got as much power as I thought it would have." So that shot the idea of shutting him up while he was driving. So I'm gonna have to come up with some other plan to get him quiet. But it's a good little truck. Gets around good. And it's in pretty good shape. I'll probably just hang on to it for a while. And I've got the red 2050. I'm gonna get it going, and I don't know why I need two of them, but I won't wear one out so fast.
Well, you can't have too many internationals.
No comment.
Hey. All right, Rick, thanks for showing us that.
See you later.
See you next time.